Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and accounts so the process won't stall mid-change. Once powered, restart and press the device-specific key sequence to enter safe mode. This isolates drivers and apps. Make sure you note which apps were running and have backups if needed. You do this because safe mode prevents normal startup items from interfering, giving you direct access to system settings and recovery menus. From here, proceed to the System Controls to disable Safe Mode flag or uninstall the blocking app. You now navigate to Settings and find System or Recovery. This is where Startup Options and Safe Mode flags live. Once there, disable the Safe Mode toggle or clear the boot flag. Use Advanced Options if the toggle is hidden. If an app triggered Safe Mode, uninstall it while still in Safe Mode to prevent retriggering. That removes the cause rather than just the symptom. Make sure to confirm changes and note any prompts about restarting. Those restarts commit the new boot configuration, so you can move to final steps. You finish by restarting the device normally and observing whether safe mode stays off. This validates your changes. If safe mode persists, repeat the disable steps and run a system file scan or use a restore point to roll back recent changes. Make sure to check for corrupted drivers or pending updates that force safe mode. Removing those can fix the boot loop. One key tip, if nothing else works, boot into recovery and restore to the last known good state to recover normal startup quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.